Hello everyone. Now let's talk about Excel. Excel example: balance sheet, budget, or editorial calendars. Excel is primarily used for creating financial documents because of its strong computational powers. Excel involves organizing and analyzing data, creating charts, and performing calculations. Microsoft Office contains a variety of tools that help people accomplish many personal and professional objectives. Microsoft Excel is perhaps the most versatile and widely used of all the Office applications. No matter which career path you choose, you will likely need to use Excel to accomplish your professional objectives, some of which may occur daily. Taking a very simple view, Excel is a tool that allows you to enter quantitative data into an electronic spreadsheet to apply one or many mathematical computations. These computations ultimately convert the quantitative data into information. The information produced in Excel can be used to make decisions in both professional and personal contexts. For example, employees can use Excel to determine how much inventory to buy for a clothing, or how much medication to administer to a patient, or how much money to spend to stay within a budget. With respect to personal decision, you can use Excel to determine how much money you can spend on a house, how much money you can spend on car, lease payment, or how much you need to save to reach your retirement goals.
Good day everyone, my name is Catherine Decotero from BPB TED 3rd year, and I am one of your discussants for today, and let me just go ahead and discuss further for you in the topic of basic concepts of technical drafting, illustration, 2D animation, and medical transcription. First class, we tackled about the technical drafting, meaning it is the process of creating graphical representations of objects or system to convey their design, construction, or function. It includes lines. And there's a lot of fundamental building blocks. So, as I've said earlier, the technical drafting is a process of creating graphical representations. What is the meaning of that? Nag-conclude siya o kasama sa lines, parang hindi mabubuo ang isang drafting or isang drawing kung walang lines. And there is a fundamental building blocks, which is the dimensions. First, dimensions, using how to specify the size and how to create an object in a drawing. So, meaning ang dimensions, ito yung nag-specify, nagpapakita na may specific na size yung object sa drawing. So, the second one is views. Views are different representations of an object from different perspectives. And third one, we have sections. Sections are drawings that we can show the interior of an object. So, ang section, meron tayong may mga interior po yung mga object or drawings na meron. Example, kapag po, di ba, nagpapagawa tayo ng bahay, kailangan natin makita or dapat meron tayong interior doon sa object or isang bahay na yon. And also, we have scales, the last is scales, that is used to represent objects that are smaller size than they actually are. And meaning ng scales, ito yung meron sila, di ba, pinaka-object, yung totoong size niya. Kunyari yung base, merong actual size nun, pero meron ding pin-repair ang mga nasa gantong field yung mas maliit pang size para makita nung tao or nung mga gumagawa yung yung physical appearance bago nila gawin yung pinaka-actual size nyon. And also, we tackled about the 2D animation. What is 2D animation? 2D animation, it is a process of creating of illusions of movement. Traditional 2D animation was hand-drawn, but it can also now be computerized, computer-generated. Ang 2D animation, ito yung mga nakikita natin before na kapag yung notebook na ginagano nila. Di ba, minsan may gumagalaw yung paper doll, yun yon. Yun yung ang dating 2D animation. But before, years by years, days pass, in our generation, kaya na rin siyang gawin in computer or in presentation, diba? And also, we tackled about the medical transcription. What is medical transcription? It is the process of converting spoken medical reports into written text. It's all about proficiency in typing, grammar, transcription software, word processors, electronic health record system. It precise listening and attention to detail and maintaining patient confidentiality and data security. So, ang medical transcription, from the word transcription, translate. Yung mga nandito sa field na to is kailangan, proficient ka or talagang relevant ka. May, yun na yung pinaka line of business mo or line of work mo. Yun na yung role mo talaga. So, as I've said po, dun sa binasa ko, kailangan meron ka active listening and also the confidentiality of the patient na makakaharap mo. Merong ganun po. And lastly, last topic that we tackled, it is all about digital media. It can be created, viewed, distributed, modified, and preserved on a digital electronic devices. We have examples of digital media devices, the mobile apps, digital photos, social media. It can help us to our daily life to have a new update and also to communicate through using software. So, ang digital media, ito yung kadalasan or lagi nating ginagamit. Sa araw-araw nating nabubuhay dito sa mundo, ito yung araw-araw natin ginagamit. So, the cellphone that we have, there's a lot of mobile applications na meron tayo sa cellphone. We have Google, and nowadays, the TikTok that we have. Minsan, kahit hindi na tayo manood ng TV, hindi na tayo manood ng, or hindi na tayo makinig ng radio, hindi na natin sila kailangan ngayon. Pero mas relevant pa rin kung doon tayo makakapanood. Pero kasi ngayon, sa cellphone natin, we have YouTube na. Nandun na yung mga balita. And also, kahit hindi ka manood nun, may TikTok. Nandun na halos lahat ng balita na kailangan natin malaman. Kahit hindi ka nanonood ng TV, pero update ka sa mga issue or nangyayari dito sa Philippines. And not only in the Philippines, but in nationwide. And also, the last one, the best way to create a simple movie, we can use the CapCut. CapCut application that we can use on cell phone, laptop, or computer, and other gadgets that we have. So, as a future educator, kailangan natin itong application na CapCut sa paggawa ng mga simple presentation na kailangan natin, and also the demo teaching na gagawin natin sa subject natin kay Doc F. So, relevant siya ngayon nowadays. Kasi, kahit hindi ka naman problema kung anong template yung gagawin mo. Meron na doon, i-search mo na lang, i-click mo na lang yung mga videos na meron ka, and i-import mo siya sa CapCut application. That's all that I need to discuss to all of you. And again, this is Catherine Dagutaro from BTB TED.